The rainstorm on Saturday evening in Kalba in the Solatuna Kaba district of the Savannah region ripped off the roofs of a number of buildings, including the health center. The health center, which is the only major health facility that serves about 40,000 people in 65 communities in the area, has thus been closed down. The facility lost documents, drugs, and mattresses, among others, as the storm ripped off the roof, forcing authorities to discharge patients who were on admission. When Citi News visited the facility, patients who had traveled from other communities for treatment were stranded. George Sobite is the chief physician assistant of the center. He warns of a health crisis in the area if the facility is not reopened soon, as the ambulance in the facility has broken down and the nearest health center is over 30 kilometers away on a very bad road.
At this particular moment, looking at the situation, our services is heavily affected because at the moment the whole building is off, the OPD side, the general side, and it didn't also end there. It has lifted the roofing sheet to the maternity block, which is also in danger. At the moment, the center part of it, where the delivery room is, the labor room, is also affected. No delivery can be conducted. So this is serious. It has affected our work here, and we are all traumatized.
Mr. Sobite also spoke about the effect the closure of the facility will have on the district.
The services we also provide here has covered over 40,000 population, and we serve over 65 communities. It is a referral center where the CHIP compounds and other private facilities, we have a private facility in town here, they also refer cases here to us. So where we are now, we are in a desperate situation.
The Damongo Catholic Diocese Health Director, who manages the facility, Aiden Minbon, said the diocese is overwhelmed with the level of damage and appealed to philanthropists, NGOs, and the government of Ghana, as well as the National Health Insurance Authority, for support to reopen the facility.
Let me say that it is a twin disaster. If you recall, on the 18th of January, we also suffered fire disaster in this same facility that affected the administration block. We are still in process of mobilizing resources to replace that administration block, when just only yesterday this has also happened. And so the burden on us as a diocese is quite enormous, and if we don't get support from our partners and other groups, it will be difficult to really fix this immediately.
Some 78 houses have been affected by the storm, displacing 105 people.
There has been a lot of damage by the rainstorm here in Kalba, but the health center here is of a major concern to them, as a major health crisis looms for over 40,000 people that live in and around Kalba. If urgent attention is not given to this facility. For Citi News, I am Richard Fogo, Kalba.